Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Coded by Example. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how we can remove watermark from PDF documents. Let's take a look at an example PDF document having a text watermark. In this document, we have our text over the watermark confidential. How then do we remove the watermark? In order for us to be able to achieve that, we shall be using Nitro Pro to remove such watermarks. First off, let's open our document in Nitro PDF. To do this, we go to Open, then to Computer, then to Browse, then locate our file or select our file. The document is apparently not in edit mode. So to edit this document or to remove the watermark, go to any of the context menu. On the far left, select Edit. The editor is now in edit mode. Remove the watermark by hovering over the watermark to highlight it. Click on it to select. Then on your keyboard, press the Delete key to remove the selected from the document. Repeat this step for the remaining watermarks. Now, you can see that we are not able to select the N and C. Normally, what I do is to move the text out of the place of the watermark, and I do this by rotating the text at a particular degree that will give way for the text watermark to be selected. Press on Shift during the rotation so you can set it to the angles like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, etc. We'll set the text back to the previous angles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos.